Well, hello everyone, and welcome into yet another live stream. Oh my goodness, do I look great with this new 3D Make It? Hi there! Hi there, and welcome into yet another research stream. I did a poll recently, and I think yesterday, not recently, and apparently everyone loves research live streams. It's everyone's favorite, right? What are we doing today? Well, hi there, Mr. Best. Today, we'll be doing IUPAC. That's gonna be the entire stream, just IUPAC, which is, it's going to be a lot. For those who don't know what IUPAC is, oh, I am just more than glad to show you. Let me just give you a second. There we go. I'm cleaning up my... And music is the last thing. Okay. So... Organic chemistry? Yes, it is. It is organic chemistry. Pretty big part of it, actually. So, IUPAC. IUPAC is... I don't know why I didn't tab. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. In other words, them do all the standards for organic chemistry. And what we care about is the nomenclature, mostly. And which is this. Hold on. Yes, basically this. Except the full thing. Wait, there's a red book and blue book. You got two books in organic chemistry. Oh, that's convenient. Ooh. Maybe. My Firefox looks exactly the same. That's because it's the best setup. I'm just the best. Great minds think alike. Right, I was studying isomerism. Will you be researching that too? Isomerism, isn't that just same molecule, different organization, like different order thing? So for example, if I were to give you an example, hold on, so for example, unless I'm misremembering at the moment, isn't isomerism like a difference between butane and isomethyl propane? I think that's isomethyl propane, right? So molecular formula with different structure. Yeah, so it is. Okay. Wait, is this... It's propane with a methyl. No wait, I'm an idiot. This is 2-methyl propane. Just 1, 2, no matter which way you order these. Okay. Okay. So it's... okay, I need a warm-up, right? Yeah, but when it comes to isomerism... Well, I mean... Hold on. Isomer. Oh, why is my coffee cup stuck? Oh, that's no good. That's no good. There we go. Consider yourself unstuck. Okay. Methyl propane, no two needed. Oh yeah, right, because if it was attached to any of the endings, then it would just be butane. That is true. Alright. Well, I feel like I should leave this for a separate stream, honestly. Because whilst all these structures are easy when it comes to naming them, I have no idea how it affects their properties. I have absolutely no clue. That's pretty important. Well, I do know that the more compact, the less surface area the molecule has. That's something to wonder about. You know, we're not getting into this right now. Instead, what we'll be getting into... Hold on, let me just also bring out the textbook, because that seems pretty important. So, the textbook, which is... I say, I'm unprepared. I always start these streams unprepared. I am never prepared. That's my superpower. There we go. This textbook, the one we've been using for these streams. And in it, we also have a couple of chapters for... in the 4th chapter, we'll have a couple of sub-chapters for IUPAC. Or stereochemistry? Wait, stereochemistry seems like... Oh, wow, my goodness, stereochemistry is the next one. Well then, Mr. Best. You... What a timing! The next stream, we're gonna do isomers. Oh boy, that's fun. People, I don't know exactly what's so difficult about isomers because I haven't gotten there, but I've heard from almost every single chemist I know that they're not fun. They're not fun. But yeah, when it comes to IUPAC though, because I'll be working the video about IUPAC, a short one, a relatively short one. You know, everything you need to know about schedule, formula. Maybe I should also include isomers there. I probably should. Yeah. I sound like releasing short videos. Okay, but the point is, now we might actually do isomers right now too. Well, not right today. Not right now. Okay. The names caffeine and 3,7-dihydro-137-trimethyl-1H purine 2,6-dione both signify the same chemical compound. Weird, I've never had anyone use the word caffeine. It's bizarre. What? I don't know. Crazy. The point is... Oh, this is inorganic. We're looking for organic. Yes. So, we know the basics. We know the basics of IUPAC. When we have like a fun little tree. We've the basic. How much in my eyes was not. I mean, these textbooks are really well made. So far, I understand kind of probably everything. I'm saying probably because I just can't remember anything I don't understand, but I'm certain there are bits. Okay, isn't this the long? Oh wait, no, this would be wrong. I always fall for the same trap. This wouldn't go like this, it would go like this. Because we first identify the longest chain. I always fall for this trap. I draw these myself and I always fall for it. Yeah, we had always identified the longest first. Which we use as a base. My biggest weakness would be functional groups. Because with functional groups we start with them, right? We prioritize them. Steps for naming organic compounds. There is 9 of them? I don't remember 9. Identification of the most senior group. If more than one functional group, if any, is present, then they want the highest group precedence. Oh, yeah, that's right. That's what I was saying. They also have like... Ammonium is the highest, then carboxylic. It's so nice that there's like a list. Wait, there's only 9? Oh. Okay, that's not a lot. That's doable. That is doable. Well, okay, there is 9. Okay, you know what? Upon further inspection, there is 9, but they do be replacing the atoms. So, okay. The point is, we prioritize the functional group, which is a very confused. That's one thing that doesn't really quite click with me, because this basically means that we get the longest alkane, unless there's a functional group present, in which case we just completely disregard this rule. Identification of the ring or chain the maximum number of senior groups. Maximum number of senior groups? What would that even mean? Most senior group. So most senior group is... senior group. Okay. According to nomenclature, rings are senior to chains. Nope. I don't even know what senior means. Okay, that's not helpful at all. IUPAC senior. What does senior? The question for the ages. Typical functional group priorities nomenclature. Is this? I mean, the second step was actually finding the longest one. You're gonna have to deal a lot of confused make it today, okay? Alright. Rules for seniority can be found in section P41 of the Blue Book. Okay, please tell me Blue Book is like available. Blue Book IUPAC. I don't have to pay for it, do I? Right? Right? Online release. This whole book right here. Yes. Oh, I was honestly scared for a second there. We want P41. That's I don't like this way to list them. If it's P41. Okay, the point is P41 rules for seniority section, page 428. There are no pages. And also, wow, is it going in depth? Wowee, okay. Seniority order. We're going straight to the source with this one. The order of seniority of classes given in table 4.1. It ranks classes expressed by suffixes and classes based on the senior atom in compounds. Okay, so radical anions, radical cations, anions. Never heard of those. Switzerlands. What are you? Inner salt is a molecule that contains an equal number of positively negatively charged functional group with amino acids. For example, solution in the chemical equilibrium will be essential between the parent molecule and zwitteron. No, pronouncing this will not be fun, but so this is the. I'm sorry, what? Inner salt. So it's molecule that contains an equal number of positively and negatively charged functional groups. This is a perfect thing. I need to work on my organic chemistry paper on cross-coupling, but it seems like a bad time investment. No. If it's important, go there. I do literally stream every day. So, you know, you can just join tomorrow. It's fine. Trust me. With this, you're not missing out on much. Okay. Okay. Betanes are materials that cannot isomerize. This sentence was just created to piss off everyone who doesn't understand chemistry. Right? That's what its reason is. When positive charge is located by. Okay, so it's an isomer. Wait, am I understanding this correctly? It's an. Also, it's a molecule that contains an equal number of positively and negatively charged functional groups. Why would it be an isomer of sulfamic acid? Wouldn't sulfamic acid contain the... Oh no, it wouldn't, because they're these functional groups. Oh, I see. But also, why would this be an isomer if the hydrogen... Oh, because that's still an isomer, that is true. Oh my goodness, this is... I get it. It's simple. Hi, it's like, hi. Oh, I get it. It's simple. It's, yeah. Okay, so like if we have, so cation and anion are for charges, and zwitterion is just both. Radicals, radical anion. Okay, so radicals, that's when odd number of electrons, if I don't remember correctly. Those are radicals. Then radical anions, radical cations. I never remember which is which. I've been doing chemistry for what? 3 weeks now? Every day? I still don't remember. For goodness sake, I've been doing electrolysis and I still don't remember. On a daily basis. Cation has less. Okay, anion has more electrons. Which means anion is negative. Alright. So radicals with more electrons, radical with more positive charge, negative charge, positive charge. Then anions, which is negative charge, then zwitterions, then cations. So it's basically going positive balanced negative charge. No wait, negative balanced positive charge, then acids, then oh wow, there is it keeps going. Okay, it keeps going even further. Okay, it's still going. Wow, that's well, I'm glad they provided the example. Headstack, take your pills. Hey, Headstack, please, mate. Take your pills. Okay. So we will not memorize this at all, one bit. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a doc with oh my goodness, what's happening? I have no idea what I'm doing. And we'll go to the bottom. And we'll do them IUPACs. And then we'll have everything. So, should we go through the blue book? I want to. I don't want to go through. For some reason, it feels like a lot. Okay. The rules for limb construction are the 4 on the list. Oh no, wait, that's it. Okay, so there's a lot in this book. But surprisingly not crazy lot. You know, this is still I'm lying to myself. I'm lying to myself. I am lying to myself. Chemistry is weird. Chemistry is in a pretty awkward spot. Chemistry is in a pretty awkward spot because for organic chemistry, we're gonna have 70 million different names. It's a million twice, but because it's for organic chemistry. Wait, what? Okay. Headstack, go take your pills. You know what? I'm gonna stop encouraging my guy. So 4 is name construction, which is mostly what we care about. If I'll say okay. We have introduction, seniority for all the classes. Seniority order for classes, seniority order for assets, seniority order for suffixes. Isn't this just unless I'm oh no, it's it's not what I was thinking at all. Oh no. Okay. Well. Are you a chemist? Not really. No. Not even close. I'm just researching chemistry because I'm bored. Alright. So we have this, which is seniority order for classes, which is an important thing to pinpoint. There, I'm gonna put everything on the right side of the switch and will be like my own post-it note. Everything on the left is work in progress. Now, next, we're gonna need. Don't you have like a TLDR anywhere? No? Blue book TLDR will be convenient. Organic compounds, okay. Oh, this seems. I'm gonna skim over a lot of it because, well, there is a lot. So, we have nomenclature operations. Good morning, afternoon. Hi there, Ali. Welcome. Hi. Wait, 5 is what now? 5 is pyridine. Oh, no. Oh, I forgot. Oh, I forgot about the whole fancy thing. Oh, damn it. Oh, where is it? It's 13-1. isn't this 13.1? No, this is 12. 13.1. Substantive operations, benzene, this. Oh. Wait, prefix is bromo for these? Oh, because it's bro. Okay, that's why. I thought present benzene, but the benzene. Okay, the point is there like a list of prefixes and suffixes? How many of them are there? Yeah, mosquito bite is itchy. Don't think about it. Don't say anything. Ignore it. Denial. This is like one place where denial is the best option. Ah, head stuck. Head stuck. What do you want me to do? Want me to mute you? I can. I think I can. If not, I'm banning. That's easier. Oh, I can hide you on the channel. Well, that's convenient. Timeout. Oh, how long? How does it walk? Ooh, there we go. Let's go take your pills. I like being able to time out people and actually walk. Unlike on Discord, you just have to ban for. Oh, and deletes all the messages. Well, that's convenient. I'm timing out head stack. This is the take his pills timeout. This for 1 minute. Wait, will those messages come back after 1 minute, or is it just like a permanent timeout? So you're doing research for new video or something? Yes, for multiple actually. Well, I would like to make more videos about organic chemistry, and so that's kind of what we're doing. This one is for a specific video about the naming convention, the IUPAC, and probably isomers too, because a lot of people have been asking me about isomers, so yeah, I'll make a whole video about isomers. Okay, there's no way this is the whole thing, because... Oh, never mind, there is benzene. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So we have citric acid, hydrate, caustic ester, amide, night. Okay, is this all of them? Blue book. I need sources. So let's go back here and rules for naming, parent hydrides. Wait, what were the suffixes and seniority for suffixes? Prefixes and infixes in decreasing order of seniority used to generate suffixes and preferred IUPAC name by functional replacement. Okay. So... this whole priority table. Yeah, I am looking for the whole... Wait, this is... Oh, you mean this? Oh. That'll be... Why don't they format tables like this here? I mean, okay, I get it. You wanna seem like you know what you're doing, right? And scientists, they don't like adding this whole table, and you know they just prefer text. They just prefer text with nothing to print it up. They prefer scientists really hate it when you actually read what they write. So they love just writing it all in plain text with nothing to break up the monotony. But like you could have just added the lines at least. Or something, or maybe lines and then on the side the things you're representing. I love tables, but it ain't a table. Well, it technically is, but it's like an ain't a great table. They could have done like this. It's not difficult. You could do it with an algorithm if you wanted. This one. What do you do to make those math animations, not the 3D ones? I use Manim. That's what I use. Let me... Shut it! Screaming. I use Manim. Let me show you. I have to turn off the main screen every single time I do anything, because it's a long story. My Windows is really glitchy. Do you have a dog? No, I do not. I ate them all. Hey, yo, make it has a dog? No. Puppy, yo, cannot. It's my neighbor's dog. Not my neighbor's, it's my neighbor's dog. Yeah, loud. Yeah, this is mother. This is mother. No, chemistry. Oh, this is the animation for the chemistry video, by the way. That's the one. Yeah, see? Manim, animations, fun talk, chemistry. Chemistry. There we go. 4 below. And play magnesium. Give us some neighbors dog law. I ain't going that far. I don't like breaking into people's houses. That was Lance's dog. No, they have a different one. There isn't yelling all that much. But my neighbor's got a dog, and it's really loud. It's really loud. I have to close my windows, which is not great. Cause right now I have to like get some air in my freaking off. That's fun. You're full freaking out. You know you're doing chemistry right when the full glassware container gets really spicy. Robber make it could be cool. Free make it. Hey, wait your turn. A week. You have to wait a week. Because I really like this corner make it. That's a good make it. I'm in love with this make it. I like this make it more than original free make it. Yeah, this is Manim. All this code. I use it to animate. That's what it is. It's animation. Like for example, right here, you can see this one right here. This line, that's creating this whole table. These 3 lines. And then it's waiting 2 seconds. And then it's creating the M magnesium equation. Then it's creating all of those. Oh man, I'm amazing code. That's messed up. Don't bro me. Yeah, but I mean, that's why most of the time animate in Blender, because it is faster when you're doing like a one-off animation. But to create a whole table, doing it with 3 lines of code is a bit easier than doing it. Although I am switching to Blender more and more, because Blender is, it's easier to get feedback. But this also renders quicker. How long does it take to code all that? For all of this, half an hour. It's not really... Well, it's not really the coding part that gets me. What gets me is the fact that when you're working with... I'm trying to word it in a way which like won't make me sound like a complete nerd, but... No, I can't. I can't find a good way to work, honestly. I sort of benefit from reading animation as a hobby. It's a great open source. So Blender is amazing. Blender, I love Blender so much. Blender's fantastic. The 3D Make It right here. I made Blender 2 days ago. What was that, the corner? Those. Make it out here coding. I was trying with the Microsoft account. The coding in... I don't like the fact that people consider it this way. Because coding isn't... You don't have to be good at tech to be good at coding. Nor do you have to be good at coding if you're good at tech. These two don't go together as much as people think. It's kind of like being good at being good at electricity versus being good at electronics. Reference to my video, which I don't really like that video. It's long, but it's not that great. Oh wait, I turned off the reaction. I can actually close the window. That's right. The window whenever I'm doing the reaction, just in case I want to suffocate myself. I haven't been having trouble breathing the past couple of days, and I don't know if it's placebo effect or if it's like Writing code in Python? Yes. You write in Python and then Manim uses it to make an animation. I really like it. It's my second favorite video. Electric versus electronic? Oh, I don't. I mean, it's decent, but I feel like I could have done so much better. I was just in a bit of a rush to upload it, because it took me a month to actually get that video done. Hold on, where's the list? Yeah, shut up, make it. So, there we go. That's my list of animations. It's on the spot number 8. It's my 8th favorite video. Which package are you using for all these videos? Madam, I'm pretty certain it's not, you can't reuse it as a package. You have to go to github.com and Manim and get yourself this one. Free Blown Brown, because that's Free Blown Brown animation engine. Hi the Kuwant. Hi the A guy. Hi. Oh hi Kuwant. Hi Kuwant. I'm really glad he went to the doctor, Kuwant, because jeez. But yeah, for me, my second favorite video is, you won't believe it. I really like this video. I'm happy with how this video turned out. You know, that's a solid video. We're supposed to go fish. Not go skiing. And no pneumonia. Oh, Free Blown Brown has a great animation. Yeah, Free Blown Brown is the one who made the engine. That's where the animations come from. That's why I love Free Blown Brown so much. Oh, I hate it. Free Blown Brown's awesome. That's like, yeah, the chemistry bit is good, but you know what? But it's a bit too general. That's why it's second place. I am going to make a video soon that will be first place. It's going to be an awesome video. I'm so excited, where I will actually go more in depth, way more in depth, and it is going to take the cake. It's going to be the first spot video. It's going to be great. The additional quantum mechanics video, by the way, also blew up recently. Hold on. Oh yeah, let me show you also that. That's kind of fun. We're supposed to, but instead I got pneumonia. I'm just glad he went to the doctor, Kuan, because I'm like, you know how paranoid people react when like one of the paranoias gets confirmed not be paranoia. It's not a good feeling. It's not a fun one. Oh, that's not a miracle. More money. Yeah, but I mean, it has 336,000 views. In 2 weeks, it had 300,000 views. 300 and I think 10. Right now, it's getting 4,000 views a day. So it's back to going up and up and up. And I think that's because the exam period has ended. That's my guess. That's my favorite video. Additional quantum mechanics. I like it, but like, you know, I don't really like it 100 times more than this one. Only in the bottom part of my left lung, so it's not that bad. What did I say? What did I say about Kuan? That's what I said. Oh yeah, mate. Oh yeah, I got pneumonia, but it's only in the bottom left part of my lung. Kuan, please, mate, take care of yourself. My heart can only take as much. Okay? It's fine. It's fucking not! No, it's not! Come on, my voice crack. I'm taking my antibiotics. Good, good. That's good. That's good. So what's age? Are you doing some courses? You mean like what's my age? That's a good question. Don't worry. It's fine, guys. He's taking his antibiotics. Yeah, I mean, like, don't worry. I don't even know exactly what pneumonia is. I only heard it from like House and D episodes. It sounded serious. What has goop lung? Ali, oh wow, how convenient. Ali, my medicine expert. Ali, how, like, I know it's bad, but like, how bad is pneumonia? It don't sound great. I have no clue what pneumonia actually does. Well, yeah, Ali like that. Ali, will Kwan die? I already said pneumonia is pretty serious. Okay, that's doctor talk for really bad. fuck? As far as I'm aware, Command isn't old. It mostly kills elderly people. That's not better! Oh no! Damn it! God, yeah! I'm just not gonna worry. Why would I worry in news? Oh, I'm actually 87. Yeah, mate. Now you'd win. I'm sorry, but now you'd win. What are we doing, gang? With the blue book of IUPAC blue book. Wait, this is the whole list. No, these are just about oxygen. Replacing different stuff. But Ali, what does Pramonia actually do? Hi there, Yas! Hi, welcome! Oh, getting... No, okay. There's so much. Oh, there's so much. Okay. It helps. What do you want? Okay. Cool. What are you walking on? I'm researching the blue book from Organic Chemistry IUPAC. Well, I don't have to say from Organic Chemistry. Inorganic is the red one. Ah, the IUPAC thing. I think we should back in high school. Force us to go through it though. The whole thing? Because I've already been through a fair bit. I already know a fair bit. But I for some reason, I like the idea of going straight to the source. It's not fun. Prefixes, that's what we're looking for. Seniority for acids, we don't care. Prefixes, hold on. Right here we have seniority for suffix, section preferred IUPAC names. Simple chains, no. Okay, it's not going to be here. Would stay at home like the doctor said, but no, because I have to do my exam Wait, you got it already? You already went out and... Is where the gas exchange to where's oxygen going? That's not pretty important. Oh. Rules. No, I'm just gonna distract myself. Come on, just stay healthy, mates. Just... Scope and nomenclature for organic compounds, preferred, pre-selected and retained, operations, general rules, type of nomenclature. Okay, general rules would seem important, but that's it for this. Introduction, mononuclear, monoacylic, parent, polyacylic. I am sorry, what now? Pain nomenclature, fullerenes. Why is there's a lot of words I don't know, actually. Yeah, that's like the most important exam of my life. I may or may not have contaminated my girlfriend. Oh no. Hold on, I'm getting... Oh, watch. Okay. You might make it the last exam of someone else's life. That is fair. Pushing the quiet on Monday. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I'm just. Wait, Quad. You have the exam still? Like, I mean, you going for that exam, or did you already go for that exam? That's one that's gonna confuse me. Also, another thing. Hold on. I still have to do it this afternoon with down my desk. Mate. Okay, so it's not supposed to get hot. That's pretty bad. Okay. Come on, I believe in you. Listen, if someone can do it, it is. I gotta go eat now. Bye bye. Bye, Quant. Jeez, I told him. Go to the doctor. Why am I right all the time? It's annoying. Fuck, damn it! I have to worry some more. Good luck for this. Yeah, good luck. Good luck, Quant. That's true. Good luck. I hope the IB gods take pity on you. That's very in character IB gods. Like IB gods, they don't help. They at least the most they will do is take pity. Okay. So we have. Wait. This is for mononucleons, like. Okay. So ane just means. What's the difference between carbon and alkane? Doesn't make much sense. No, the gang chest will know on the answers in the hell Asian exam. He has the zombie from Dead by the. I don't remember which one it was. Hey, was it oxymethylene because of ethyl methyl ether? Or which one is wrong? I feel like it sounds like one name is the IUPAC preferred name and the other one is not. It sounds like both are relatively. I have no clue. I don't know what I'm doing. The gang just becomes sentient and whispers answers to him. No, because all the chest gangs are evil. Guys, you don't know. Like the first rule of the chest gang textbook. They're evil. Kind of is ethyl methyl ether. Well, what's ether? Hold on, what's ether? Chemistry ether. It's based on the one of the functional groups, isn't it? Ethyl methyl ether. Wait, what? Ethyl methyl ether. That would be ether with a ethyl and a metal, right? Which would mean. So we have an ether with an methyl, I mean this way, and this, right? Is that? Is this what ethyl methyl ether is supposed to be like? What it sounds like. I don't know. That sounds like a cool story plot. Gang just becomes an eldritch horror to find the IB gods. Ah, the mortal enemies, gang chest and chest gang and IB gods. The two eldritch powers fighting for the domain over human existence. Is this what it is? Am I? Hold on. Oh no, wait, this one has an thingy. I don't know what that thing means. Ethyl. Wait, was I right? Hold on. I'm a chemist, Harry! I mean, Hagrid, no. You're a chemist, make it. No. Yes, so you get the reference. The point is... Yeah. Isn't that what Make It drew? I really did. Oh, I'm learning. It's learning. Okay, the point is. Oh my goodness, but this is muddling. Like, I get these rules, but I'm having a really hard time figuring a way to explain them. Alternate groups? You're not real. What do you mean alternate groups? I'm a Harry Hagrid. You're a Hagrid, Harry. But I'm having a really hard time figuring out how to explain them. Why is Acetone doesn't have a link? That's fun. Alright, let's go over each one. We have acyl, which is just carbon and oxygen. Oh, this sounds way more complicated than... Making small terrain mode and I got 6,338 errors. I'm about to go fucking insane. I've been there. A really long time ago I did some game dev. A really long time ago, just on a live stream for fun. And I don't mean the previous one, I mean the really long time ago, I think 2 or 3 years ago. And I got well, there's a loop there, isn't it? I started the program and it crashed because of 10,000 errors. Welcome to organic chemistry, where all the drawing looks like stick bugs. That's true. Actually no, some of them look like some of them just look cool. There's no other way to describe it, they're just cool. It was a wavy thing. Why a wavy thing? Why wavy? Why a wavy thing? Why a wavy line? There ain't no need for that. You're just making stuff up at this point. Benzochloroformate is a group in what universe? This is an ether. This would be in chloro. This is the benzene, so phenyl, which means this would be phenyl. No wait. Oh wait, radicals. Chloro would take priority after. No, ether would take priority, right? Ether. Chloroether. Ether. This is a triple. No, I won't attempt. If I saw the number, I would just close my laptop and go out. 6, 3, 4, 7. One by one. We did them all. Okay. So, if I understand correctly, I might just need to ask Flame about this. I'm just gonna ask Flame about this. I'm just gonna compile a list of how I think. Of what I think. Of how I... Who am I? Where am I? What am I doing? Okay, so we have... One more question. What does prioritizing functional in IUPAC actually mean? Because does that mean it just you start there, right? And you just throw out the window the rule on finding the longest chain, largest chain. Change the parent name of the compound. Change the ending of the parent suffix to the highest priority group. Usually drop the last letter IBAN and suffix for the except nitrile where E is kept. Or you can just call it dropping the E and guarding nitrile, whatever. Alright, so we have functional groups, which are these ones. And then what we do is we okay, so functional groups change the alkane name. So we still have the alkane, we just... Right? We still have the alkane, we still use it as our base, except... Oh, but we prioritize the alkane. What does prioritizing alkane mean? It means like you start counting from the alkane, from the functional group side? What does prioritizing the functional group in IUPAC mean? I am asking politely. What's prioritizing mean? Confusion about prioritizing functional groups. Yes, there is. There is a fair amount of confusion about this right now happening in my head. According to Wikipedia, carboxylic acid. Then why is sulfuric acid lower priority? I don't... Wait, what? The priority is relevant. What's priority used for? Am I going crazy? Am I going mad? I am, but that's irrelevant. Alphabetical order first. We're not getting into the alphabetical order. I've already had my rant about the alphabetical, and I already spilled the tea on what I think about the alphabetical order. And let me give you a spoiler. I don't have much. I don't really have anything nice to say about the alphabetical order because it is. No, we're not getting into it right now. Function group causes molecules causes chemical reactions. Okay, so benzoyl acetate has the acetone group. That's why it's called acetate. There's a lot of them. There's okay, cool, neat. Let me go put naming convention. Okay, that's fine. IUPAC, no. Organic chemistry, and then functional groups. The basic principles. If more than one functional group is, if any, is present, the one with the highest group presence should be used. How we use the how? Mine as anime. Sounds like a struggle. Amplification of the ring or chain with the maximum number of senior groups. Amplification, that's all simple. Most senior elements. I still read them as animes. Alright, let's go find some animes. Alright. Parent carbon's numbered. Okay, the reason why they numbered this way is because right here we have this one which is closer. Yes, okay. Yeah, okay. The parent has 23 carbons, it was tricosal. Yes. The functional group had the highest precedence are the two ketone groups. Two ketone groups. Say. You guys read? With a bunch of nerds, am I right? Up top! Okay. What's a ketone group? Ketone group. Ketone group. That's ketone. Okay, so oxygen. This one. And this one. Alright. That's why we're standing on this side, because the ketone group is there. Ambiguity. But mine are like actual what? No, it was about the reading, because you'll read wrong, we don't even read. That's, hold on, second, 1, 2, 1. What's the next number? 2. The numbering of the molecule is based on the ketone group, so numbering left, right, ketone groups are numbered 3. Okay, so that's what prioritizing means. Listen. No. Oh boy, oh boy. Are they pronounced amines or amines? Animes. I don't know. No one pronounces these words in their head actually. Am I the pronounce the amine? watched or read Blade Runner. Neither have I, but I relate to the main character. I think he's literally me. Chains are ethyl carbon. Okay, so all of it is simple, and prioritizing the functional group, the highest priority means just starting on that side. Make it. You sounded so French. When? You. Literally me. Make it 2024. Yeah. Yeah. I honestly, the reason why I want to be famous is that I can actually attend like a convention with cosplayers, and so that I can find all of the cosplayers which are cosplaying me, and so I can run up to them and just scream, "He's literally me. He's just like me for real." That's my reason. Okay, that's what I want to do with my life. That's not the dreams that we're dreaming big for. Anyhow, me slowly taking notes. Can you imagine how funny that would be, though? Alright, the point is, we get those, which means now it's time to finally get into what everyone's been waiting for. Let's get into isomers. Oh wait, introduction to cycle. Okay, wait, where do we left off? That's it. Leave off. Left. Past tense. I mean past tense, I suppose. Where did we? Who am I? I have to restart the music. Okay. Yeah, baby, finally isomers. Fuck yeah, I'm so excited. I need a white coat with cookie crumbs in the Halloween mask. They're not cookie crumbs. They're not. They're mostly sulfur. That's most of them. There's a fair bit of zinc. And if you see like darker bits, that's manganese dioxide. If you really want to nail the lab coat look, that's what I recommend. I refuse to elaborate. Well, to be fair, for everyone who actually gets, they actually can figure. Well, okay. If you've done, I'm wondering how should I word it to not spoil why it looks the way it looks. If you know, you know. It's not an illegal thing or anything. It's the government trying to gatekeep us from doing the fun stuff in the chemistry, right? In the chemistry. I'm tired. I'm so tired. Just give me a second. No, I can't do this sober. The point is, what makes is literally all I can do right now. Well, that's quite a predicament. I'm sorry, Koala. That sounds awful. But you know what? Let's get into alkanes. I'm set that would cheer Q on right up. Oh, solubility. I remember this. Yeah, we've been over this. Kind of. Butane, such a large molecule. Oh yeah, this rotation also we've been over. So I think let's get just straight into isomers. What am I doing? Yay, organic solvent! Yay, woohoo! Yeah! We all love organic solvent. We all love isomers, right? That's what we'll do today. Oh, stereochemistry. Whoa, we all love isomers so much. I'm making my pilots with annihilate me for getting low grades. Thank you for making me understand calculus and stuff. You're welcome, and I'm really glad I helped. I am trying to make 2 more really cool math videos with calculus, but I wanted them for other people, and they are both ghosting me a bit. A bit. One person hasn't responded, but they have a reason. They have a pretty good reason and don't have responded to me right now. That they have to clear the idea. But the other one is ghosting me, and I don't feel great with that one. Student centers in cycling components. Yay, yay, woo, yeah! Subnautica, play. Play Subnautica? Okay, if you want to study differential equations, I don't want to study them. Ugh. No, I want to teach them. I don't want to study them. It sounds awful. Like an awful time. I can including the resources inside my course. I get differential equations. The only thing I'm missing is the main thing people learn when it comes to differential equations, which is learning how to solve them. But I don't need to know how to solve them. And so, I don't know how to solve them. I solve each one on a example by example basis, where I research for each separate example that I need to solve in order to actually solve them. Because I'm not dealing with enough examples to actually care. Make it, what's your favorite video game? Satisfactory. I have to think about that. Doom Eternal, second place, but when it comes to combat base, then they switch places. It's so convenient to have like an answer ready for these questions, you know? I don't have to think whenever someone asks me for a favorite game. I just always reply Satisfactory. Alright, start and sell those. Yeah. Yay. Yay. Oh wait, are you trying to paste in the link? You need to be a mod to paste in the link. Damn it, give me a second. There. Paste away. Asked my teacher why methanol is poisonous but ethanol is safer, although there's one extra carbon. Told me it's because of weight. Is it true? I don't know exactly why methanol is poisonous, but there's a possibility. Like having an extra carbon, it's not as simple when it comes to poisons. When it comes to poisons, it's not as simple. Can I paste now? Yeah. It's not as simple as just what has more dangerous chemicals. It's more about like, and there we go. And no, I'm not taking away your mod, or maybe not. You know what? Have fun. There, you're welcome. Enjoy mod. I played through every Doom except 10, 16, and 10 because my PC would explode. What do you mean it would explode? You know how well optimized that game is? It's incredible. But yeah, the reason why things are poisonous is it's way more complex than just because of the mass and things like these. So there's a possibility that the difference in mass is what causes one to be poisonous in this case and the other one not. And yeah, but how should I put this? It's all about shape. Which is the perfect segue to isomers, actually. Starch, the most important source of carbohydrates in the human diet, and accounts for more than 50% of our carbohydrate intake. It occurs in plants in the form of granules, and these are particularly abundant in seeds, especially in cereal grains and tubers. I'm a tuber. I do be tubing, where they serve as storage form of carbohydrates. You know, those were made in like 1993 and 2003. I tried to make it. I have 5 frames per second in 2016. Yeah, but you know what? That's fair. I streamed the whole Doom with like ultra graphic settings with ray tracing on, so I can't relate. It was really funny because when I bought Doom, I did the full playthrough and it was lagging a fair bit, but then I got like a big CGI gig to do, and I actually just told them that they should pay me in advance, because if they pay me in advance partially, I will be able to buy a better graphics card and I'll be able to actually render it quicker, or actually render it in time, because I just couldn't render it in time. And so they paid me semi in advance. I used the money to upgrade my PC, I rendered the whole thing, and because of that I have the PC I have right now actually. That's where I got it from. This is methanol also becomes carbohydrate through metabolism. Precisely. It's complex. That's the point. Nana got mod, yeah. I know how I just did. Nana just had to send a link, and only moderators are allowed to send links. And so then I did a full playthrough to turn on that. Okay, the point is starch. Potatoes are starchy food, much greater than starch. Okay. Two polymers. Okay, so this will be just about the shapes, right? I mean, start with cellulose. Let me guess. Start and cellulose have the same atoms in them, but they are isomers. That's gonna be my wild guess. What's actually going to happen here? Let's see. Hold on. Start chemical formula. Always remember to take them from different sources. C12H20O10. 12H20O10. Yep. Yep, they are. Two starch molecules is just has the same amount of atoms as one cellulose molecule. Wow, what crazy. Hold on, let me just restart. I just need to turn on. I'm doing science, and Ali and Kuant know what kind of science I'm doing, because they're Patreons, and subscribe on Patreon if you'd like to know what I'm doing for videos before the videos come out, because that's... wow, I'm selling out, yeah. Would you like cellulose? No thanks, I would like 2 starches, please. Speaking of, hold on, let me just send a picture, because it's actually fun. Oh no, I'll do it after stream. Unless I think I really want. Okay. Let's see. Oh, damn it, it's not working. Shucks! Walk. I bought like a really cheap power supply, and it's flickering in and out of existence. It's not great. There we go! I just have to lower the voltage all the way. I think I might have screwed it up myself, to be fair. Because I kind of short-circuited a bit. A bit! Okay? It was a tiny little bit of a short-circuit. Yeah, I have a minute delay because I accidentally paused the stream. I know that feeling, it's awful. Why carbohydrates this early on? Is this early? It's the 5th chapter. That's pretty high. It wasn't you, it was the gangplank. God, gangplank. So... Okay. The point is, we don't care about any of these. Classic gangplank, and then stock footage now. Isomers are different compounds that have the same molecular formula. Yeah, so for example, 2 starches, 1 cellulose. That's no the reference, by the way. 12 atoms make up the isomers from different ways. We have cis-butane and trans-butane, which is the simplest one. Any 2 sp3 couplings covering groups, possible, similar pattern. Okay, but we care about the effects, right? Because we know what isomers, how isomers work and what's creating them. That's easy. That's easy and simple. Stereoisomers are isomers that differ in spatial arrangement of atom rather than order of atomic connectivity. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Congrats, you have been streaming for 69 minutes. I've been streaming for over 420 days. Oh, what are we gonna do for the 469th stream, by the way? It's coming soon, 12 days. What are we gonna do for the 500th stream? Oh no, it's also coming. Are you doing this superficially, or are you gonna take notes later? I never... Well, I technically take notes, but not really. I'm doing it superficially, and then for the video, I use the knowledge I gained to script write the video, and... No, to plan the video, and then my script write, I just research in depth the specific topic. 500 is pretty major milestone. It really is! Are you donating 500 charity that day? Yes, I will. This time I'll have the money. So yes. stream if you want service. I don't get that joke. I'm sorry. I'm not that much of a chemist. Alright. So interesting type of isomer is the mirror image stereo isomer. Yeah, just rolls off the tongue. It does look pretty. That sounds pretty interesting. Collab with Kuan's Ganglang on the 500 stream. Wait, but hold on. Isn't Cellulose just? I don't know. You're the medicine person. You know me. But yeah, but hold on. Because collab, y'all do realize that this one is not out of the question. We're slowly nearing 20,000. I can do an honest to Lord collab with someone for that stream. We just need to pick someone. I'm probably talking about my Gangplank because I'm really interested. I'm just curious to see how the little Ganky is doing. The little Greg. No, it's not Greg. No. Greg is too mild of a name. $665. Graham's a good one. Gus. Oh, that's it. That's a hit. Scrap Science. Collab. We're already doing collabs with Scrap Science. Yes, plural. This video was at the start. Collab with Bill Nye, the science guy. I think Bill Nye might be a bit out of my league. Okay, like a tiny little bit. Gus is such a good gangplank name. Yeah, it really is a good one. So my left lung is now called Gus. Well, the gunk in your lung, the gunk in your lung, it's called Gus. Gus like Breaking Bad, precisely. Gus like the meth guy from Breaking Bad. No, I was really wondering. Try to collaborate with for the 500. I don't know. I guess we will see. Gus more like pass up. Mic drop. My name is Gustavo Fring. Juan's left line probably. Yeah. And welcome to Juan's left line family. Collab with Femboy Fishing. No, Femboy Fishing is also out of my league. How many subscribers Femboy Fishing have? It was like hundreds of thousands. Femboy Fishing. 125,000? That's out of my league. I do not want to know what that is. Well, whoops, then never mind. I could try something. Alright. Chirality. The extent molecules determined by content as chirality or chiral. I'm mispronouncing it. There's no way I'm to do this right. That's right. Was derived from Greek word for hand, because a hand display a good example of chirality since there are no non-superimposable mirror images of each other. The opposite of chiral is achiral. Achiral object is superimposable with mirror images. Okay, so symmetry. Kind of. I mean, nightmares. I am non-players. Yeah, neither am I. It's okay. It's weird, right? It's that's bizarre. With a bizarre way to. Just no, me neither. Let's pronounce that silent. You know what? I'm just gonna skip over all of these words. Molecule has a mirror. Molecule has a mirror image that cannot line up with it perfectly. The mirror images are non-superimposable. Mirror images are called enantiomers. Why just... Okay. One of these properties, they cannot have a plane of symmetry or an interior plane. The molecule cannot be divided into two image halves. Okay, so makes sense. So it is symmetry. claim it was the mirror plane. Yeah, okay. But these cannot be superimposed because they're flipped. They're flipped in 3 dimensions, so they cannot be unflipped unless you do something pretty serious too. So yeah, they cannot. Okay, it didn't go up. It didn't go up. There is a lot of smoke. Oh no! Oh no! You good? That's another smoke. That's water vapor, right? Yeah, water vapor. Hi there. Welcome back. I'll make it. Open the window. Yeah, I just turned it off. It got hot. That's the point. That's what happened. You can call me 911, but no, it's fine. It's water vapor. It has to be water vapor. Right? Yeah, it's water vapor. I'm certain it's water vapor. Gang's Lang attacking him. I just need to pass my 10th grade and reading 11. My senior scared us by taking biology. By taking biology with math will make a recruit your life. Is it true? I have no idea, but biology with math sounds quite different. This modeling kit for this part. I mean, I do be doing pretty animations. This would be convenient. Okay, so all of this is pretty simple. Biology doesn't seem to mix with math though. Yeah, it is different. Compounds. Need. So maths is an absolute nightmare, dude. I don't know. Maths can be decent. That's a wall of text. What is the wall? Can I get right? Did you know sulfur and phosphorus can be stereogenic centers? Because it's stereogenic center. Is it exactly what it sounds like, or comments of the configuration? No force energy groups the same method. Configuration of those highly symmetric tetrahedron. The regular tetrahedron serves planes of symmetry and is achiral. A carbon atom that is bonded to 4 different atoms or groups loses all symmetry and is often referred to as an asymmetric carbon. Configuration of such a molecular unit is chiral, whatever. And the structure may exist in either a right-hand configuration or left-hand configuration. Okay. Might be because past science class smarter than me now. I mean, biologists require math. All fields of science require math. It's more of a question like how much. I'm going with math then. It's so silly because like the math in math, it's so silly though. Can we take a second to appreciate just how silly calling math really is? Because you have amphetamines, right? And then you have methamphetamines. And methamphetamine is amphetamine with meth on the very beginning because of an additional methyl. That's why. Methyl. And methyl is an incredibly common thing. So that would be kind of like calling, I don't know. That would be kind of like calling computers that electrical thing, like, you know, that electrical, no wait, not computers, we have to be more specific. That would be kind of like calling street lamps, that electrical thing. Like, yeah, you wouldn't be wrong, but, you know, sort of electrical things. Whoa, you guys think about driving? That's taking notes. I'm playing risky math online. I don't like math. Math is cringe. Math is cringe. Amphetamines, I do love those. I'm a huge fan of them. Organic engineering project, yeah. I also made it say slurs. And with GPT, learning reductive elimination, there is like a whole. I mean, there's a Wikipedia page on synthesizing amphetamines. Is there the same one for us to do? I've actually, hold on, I'm curious. Should I be checking this? Why am I in Germany? Huh. That's curious. Why does it look so different? There we go. Oof. The bleach and sugar in the hot plate makes mini explosion thoughts. There's plenty of things that make mini explosion. If you need to mix together bleach and sugar, then you're doing it wrong. That's too many steps already. Get gasoline. Hi, welcome to hashtag not legal advice with Make It. And today, I'm not giving you legal advice. Should be checking this. Are you looking up some sketching? No. People are like making Python something unique in Google. My brother tries nail tries whatever. That is true though. For most of these things, people actually decide about making it using chemicals that won't get the Fed's attention. Is it though? Is it? You can go to a gas station and buy some gas, like, without a license even. You can just go there and just buy it. Just straight up buy it, and like no one will bat an eye. And the reason why you would buy gasoline, the reason for buying gasoline, is so that it would explode. That's the reason for why we use gasoline, and we sell it without a license or anything, without keeping track of it. And people are like, "Oh, we can process." You can buy gasoline. You know, I just it's not better than math. I'm talking about math. Yeah, we do tend to do that on this stream. Make this down. Deutschland kopieren. That's my name. I'm Deutschland. Ja, ich bin. Ja, Hans. Ich bin. Guys, how it goes. If you have a bomb and defuse it, because specific wire, why not color all the wires red or something? But I don't want to do it with gasoline. Can you imagine Ted Kaczynski, right, being like, but I don't want to do it with gas. We're straying from away from what we're talking about. What we're talking about? Oh yeah, ISO, isometry, right? Isomers. That's right. Pronouncing isometry with Kamala more gives sufficient to render the whole configuration. Terminology refers to such grouping as centers. Okay. Presence of single asymmetric carbon atom in the molecule is sufficient to render the whole configuration. This and multiple. Okay, makes sense that a single one would be enough. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? I mean, no. Like, I don't think people use different colored wires. Yeah, I don't think people even check the color of the wire. I also don't think that's how you defuse bombs. And also, I don't think defusing bombs basically means just cutting a specific colored wire. I feel like you're just supposed to. I think like you have to check what the wire is connected to. I feel like that's the main thing. I think you need to know about explosives. I do want to make a video like that, and that video is coming, but it will be a pretty expensive one to make though, so Don't question why. Okay, how do you know the atomic bomb? It's but logic, but if you know chemistry and electricity, you can predict how this works, right? You don't even have to know electricity and chemistry, you can just think about it. Like, if you have a red wire, which is used for the signal of, you know, the timer, and then you have the green wire, which you use in order to actually set up the reaction, then if you switch colors around, then all of a sudden it's in 180. All of a sudden the wires are going to the other things. And so you as a bomb diffuser can't really go off what color wire does what. You have to go off which wire is connected to what thing. And then it's not even that, because when you have a timer, for example, you could have a bomb which gets set off when the timer isn't submitting a signal, or when the timer is giving a signal. So basically, if you're diffusing it, it's not as simple as just cutting the wire, because there's a possibility that cutting the wire would just set it off. And at the same time, you could just cut the wire to kickstart the reaction, unless the reaction is sustained, unless there's like a very specific reaction. Actually, it might be interesting. Because I need to into a chemistry and electricity class. Yeah, but it's not difficult to break stuff, and that's the purpose of bombs, right? Just breaking stuff. It's harder to build them than to break them. It's the typical being fascinated with guns over, like, time. A lot of people are fascinated with different kinds of guns, and I get it, they're interesting. They really are interesting. But picking them when you have things like, I don't know, being fascinated with wars, when you have things like the Great Hadron Collider, just chilling there, it seems a bit like a weird choice in my opinion. Alright, so basic idea being this is all kind of obvious. I know necessarily a Cairo, okay. My CPL class in a couple of months was CPL. If the time doesn't available before then it's 0. Concealed pistol license. You only need a license for concealed, that makes sense. You mentioned guns. Why are you picking class? Oh, you know what? That's fair. Ha, in Texas, you don't need any of those leftist snowflake licenses. Morning. Hi there, Professor Mike. Welcome. Okay. Let's get to it. It's fine. I can get through it. So, if I'm listening correctly, the channel and A channel we'll have to revise on that one, because this is still going to Secretary of State every time. How often do you buy guns? How often do you buy them? Okay, so of these molecules determined some of the images. Okay, hands is a good example of okay, so child is like Cairo is non-symmetrical, which means can't be superimposed. Okay, so Cairo means different. A Cairo means the same, which is already going backwards, and I will get confused by it so many times. Eggs in karate. Yeah, I am. Hi, the lamppost, by the way. Playing lamppost. You join in at pretty similar times. Get me UBC right now. I'm more looking to demonstrate this. Okay, then. It's Kevin being your voice chat. Just join in any voice chat and I'll drag you in. There.
Oh.
Hi there. Hold on, let me just...
I have a you know these like chemistry model kits?
I'm not no. I don't
Oh,
know what.
it's like the plastic things. Hang on.
Oh yeah, I do. I do. Okay, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Hang on. I can
I just use Blender most of the time because I don't have the money for them.
because it's really helpful with like an in-person thing.
Oh, I have Blender. I'm pretty good at 3D animating. That's like my whole thing.
True. Yeah. No. This would be great to animate actually.
I know. That's why I'm researching
Let
it.
me.
The YouTube clicks. There we go. Everyone say hi to Flame. That's Flame. I
Hello.
mean, you're probably good. Yeah, I sound much worse in Discord. I don't have my parametrics to boost me up, so you know.
Okay, I think I have to switch to mobile to do this. To turn my camera on. Um, if I do this, I'm gonna have to join the other VC on my phone, and then you're gonna have to drag me again.
Okay. I can just give you permission to join this one. Well, maybe. Hold on. There we go.
Okay, okay.
All right. There.
Is it turning my video on?
Yes, it is. You will need to put it on the stream, by the way, or just.
Yeah, yeah. Give me a sec. Hang on. Wait, what can you see?
I can see a cloth, piece of fabric.
Okay, wait.
Blank.
Can you see it now?
No.
It's
No.
not showing me what. It's not showing me the thing. How do I view this? Okay, I mean, you can see these, right? You can see this.
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, okay. So these are like models of chiral molecules. So in the middle is like our carbon or whatever,
Yep.
and you can see that because it's tetrahedral, you can have four bonds, and you can see they're reflected along the middle plane. But when you try and superimpose them on each other, there's no way to do it. Like there's no way to orientate one to make the other one.
Yeah.
So that's like that's literally just the main principle of chirality. Yeah.
So
I kind of
chirality
just
is
wanted to
basically.
show this.
No, it's good. It's good. I mean, I use Blender. I was. Hold on. Let me try. I need to prove myself. Oh, yes, I need to prove my Blender expertise. Like this. All right.
Yeah, I'm good.
I just don't. The one thing I don't understand is what's so confusing about isomers. And the thing is, everyone seems to be confused by isomers, which means I probably just still haven't gotten into the point where people get
I mean,
confused.
it depends because it requires like a lot of like spatial reasoning, and some people just are good at that and bad at that. But what gets complicated is when you have like multiple chiral centers. So you might have a molecule. I mean, I have a.
You can have multiple.
This is like a molecule for my research, but this is I don't even know if there's any chiral centers on this. No, this isn't very chiral. Yeah, never mind. But you can have molecules with like multiple of these centers, and so then it's got two chiral centers, which means you can then have four versions of the molecule.
Uh,
And that kind of stuff.
so a chiral center tells you how many different options there are, how many different isomers there are.
Yeah, I mean,
Or
so chirality it's a type of isomer, so it's called optical isomerization, and so but there are different types of isomers, as you probably looked at in organic stuff.
okay, I think I'm ready with my presentation now. There. Okay, so we have a molecule like this. We're gonna call make it awesome.
Should I get back on PC? Give me a sec.
Right.
Can you re-drag me?
Yeah. There we go. So.
Hello.
Hi there. Is there how's the delay on YouTube doing, by the way? Because
Let me look.
Because I don't know if I should give you a stream on Discord. And a bit of a physical model.
It's like a few seconds.
Okay, I can give you a stream on Discord. There we go. So, if we have like a molecule like this, if I understand this correctly,
Mm-hmm.
we do this sort of thing. We rotate it around, and then we switch this one to be yellow, switch this one to be green. This is its chiral thing because it's flipped.
Yeah.
And then if we take this molecule, then we can, no matter how hard we try, we cannot
Yeah, there's no way to
superimpose it on
rotate it.
top.
Yeah.
Because right here
Exactly.
we have. Okay. Yeah, I'm good at these. I'm really good at these. That's blending.
Yeah, no, I imagine like as an animator, like
Yeah.
it's very easy to get your head around it.
This is going. That's. Oh yeah! Finally, we're getting into something I can actually be good at. Sick.
I mean, there's a lot of shapes in chemistry, and I find the shape stuff really cool. But like, lots of people struggle because it's just sometimes hard to picture all this stuff in your head.
You have to understand. I'm going from quantum mechanics, so
Yeah, exactly.
I'm going
Yeah.
from just numbers to like the one thing I'm really good at.
Yeah, that's the thing, because we, like, when we do our degree, we go from like letters to shapes, you know, and we start learning about orbitals after we've learned the basic chemistry, and then people get really confused because all the orbital stuff is confusing. But you like know orbitals already.
Yeah, this is good. That actually might work. Okay, sick. I wanted to do a whole video about the IUPAC. And then I thought maybe
It's a nightmare.
yeah, I mean, I had the blue book open for the first half of the stream. I wanted to make a video about IUPAC, but I was like, oh no, that would be way too short. I guess I should throw some isomers in there. But then I actually started researching IUPAC, and I realized that the video actually would be too long, not too short.
Yeah, and there's so much because it goes into so much depth and so many different niches that it just, if you want to like fully cover it, it takes ages.
I mean, I don't like a challenge.
Yeah, but I feel like at a certain point it's like not that interesting anymore. But I don't know. Like even I've only gone to a certain level of, we call it IUPAC, but I've only gone to like a certain level of it.
IUPAC. Okay, so when it comes to where's the blue book? There's the blue book. Okay, it has 10 main chapters, and
Yeah.
well, look, they're not that long, right? They're like, you know, it's manageable.
This is actually endless scrolling.
Well, it's not endless. It's just, you know, a bit.
The bit that's annoying with it is when you have all these rings attached to each other.
For
Like the names for, like all these rings like bonded to each other, because you're no longer following any kind of like chain stuff. It's
oh, I haven't
It's
even.
just,
Oh yeah, yes, something
yeah.
like hold on. Wait, no.
I don't even know what this is like.
This is yeah.
Fullerene. Oh, I love fullerene.
This isn't even chemistry. They're just dropping in the shapes. They're like,
Yeah, it's just a football.
yeah, three chapters ago, they were like, yeah, chemistry is cool and all, but listen, we recently got into geometry, and we gotta share this with you. We know that this book is unrelated. It's about chemistry, but listen, we gotta share it. This is not a real thing. What do molecule with multiple kind of chiral centers look like?
I mean, for example, if you picture the thing I showed you,
Yep.
if you just drew a bond between the two, then you have multiple chiral centers. Hang on a minute.
So basically, like,
Yeah.
well, the way I did bonds is I just overlapped them together, so this is gonna be pretty
Yeah, you
awkward.
can overlap one of those colors, I guess.
I'm a professional. So, it would basically be something like this.
You gotta make sure you remove one of the colors off both of them.
Oh yeah,
now
because
you've
they
got
have to
carbon
bond.
with
That's
5
true.
bonds.
And
And so now the remaining three should be pointing like outwards. Yeah.
this one.
So something like this, but you do need to make sure that maybe replace like a red with a blue on one of them, because otherwise you can rotate the whole molecule around and you'll get the same thing.
Oh, so basically, like a yellow and like to make sure that it's
No, because
different?
if you have these two chiral centers in this example, then because each chiral center is bonded to the same things as the other carbon, then you could flip the molecule around and you would end up with the same molecule. So it's not chiral if you do that. So you need to change one of these. So if you, for example, change one of the reds to a blue, then you would have two individual carbons that are bonded
Oh,
to
I
different
see.
things to the other carbon.
I see. Okay.
It's really it gets yeah, it's
Because then this kind of notation is what you're talking
yeah,
about,
so you
right?
can't rotate
Okay.
this in any way. But now if you were to look at each of these carbons, you could make four versions of this overall molecule that would all be chiral to each other.
I love how Unisog also said, well, it gets more complicated from there because of course it always gets more
Yeah.
complicated from there.
Yeah.
There's no limit. There's no upper limit. It's just always be like, yeah, so this is the most complex molecule we've ever made. Let's add a carbon to it. Let's add an ethyl group to it. Let's replace a
Yeah.
carbon with that. Okay, but wait, so when it comes to stereochemistry, that's what it's called, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so when it comes to stereochemistry, based on those, are we supposed to, is this the whole thing, like predicting isomers, or are you also supposed to figure out what the properties of these isomers will be?
I mean the main point of stereochemistry, like it's called optical isomerism because um it rotates light in different directions depending on whether you've got one stereo center or the other one. So we call them R or S for the carbon. So like if you have two versions of the molecule, and one's right-handed or left-handed, then we call one R and one S. And there's a whole IUPAC thing for naming those. But depending on whether you've got the R or the S, it rotates light differently, and that's one of the things you can measure. But in general, like the main application of it is in biology, because biology chemistry is quite asymmetric. Like you have a lot of molecules that will do one thing if you have the R, but will do something completely different if you have the S.
I, I'm gonna, yeah, I wanted to divide all of these into different, like, everything you need to know about X videos, but I'm just gonna have to do a whole organic chemistry video. There's,
Yeah, organic is very deep.
there's no going about this. It's just gonna be one massive thing. Ah, fine.
Oh yeah, chirality and organic synthesis. Yeah.
Really, all this really raw dung, honestly. I mean, they sound nice. I mean, plain polarized alkalinity is pretty important in organic synthesis as well. Of course, it's always good to be there. It's fine. It's fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I can do it. Technically I'm a computer scientist, so organic chemistry is practically the same thing. Okay. Well, Flame, thanks.
Yeah, no worries.
I'm gonna start actually the walk very slowly. I do not plan on finishing it anytime soon, but I'm gonna start the walk on the organic chemistry video, and I'll
Okay.
give you access to the doc too, so you can, whenever you're free, you can double check me.
Mm-hmm.
No pressure though, because it will take weeks. So
Yeah, I mean that's alright. I've got exams in like exams in like 2 weeks, and then I'm chilling.
yes, then go focus on your exams. Don't worry about me, because I don't want to do this anymore.
Yeah.
It's a lot. I've been getting a fair bit into electrochemistry recently, and so much difference in electrochemistry. That's just
It's
math.
completely different. Yeah.
That's only math, and
It's
it's
just
not
loads
even.
of formulae.
Yeah, it's, unless I'm also skimming the surface on organic chemistry. That's also a very fair possibility. Oh, hold on. Give me a second. Actually. Speaking of, how far? Ah, what? Call me. That's did not in my book. Oh, and my voltage power supply started working again. Well done. That's festive. I think I'm gonna go now because I'm really hungry. But if you know what, I'm gonna give you
Yep.
access to this channel actually,
Okay.
so that if you want to join in the future, you don't have to wait for
Yeah,
me to
probably
drop
will.
in. Just randomly scare me. That's gonna be. I won't regret this decision, will I?
I'll just jump scare you.
Yeah, that's gonna work out pretty well.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I'm going. I'm really hungry. I haven't eaten it.
Okay, alright. Have fun.
All right. Bye, Flame.
Bye bye.
It's really nice having people who know things, you know? It really is nice having people who know things join live streams. Alright, well then, everyone, that was a festive live stream. We had fun. And from Lampos, don't let the haters get to you. What I've been telling you. Don't let the haters get to you. Oh, Ali's been deleting Professor Mike's messages. Hold on, I've been... Okay, well, that's a dick move. You know what, that's... yep, he's been quite rude. I can see the deleted messages, and you know what? That is beyond far rude. That's just called being a dick. I hope my voice is adequate for chat. Have you heard me? Like, people listen to the stream. I mean, I do have a pretty beautiful voice. We all can agree. Claim you're making me feel self-conscious voice, because I sound like a 14-year-old. Headload thing, yeah. I'm kind of excited for a video now, because it's gonna be a lot of shapes, and I like shapes. I'm an animator. The whole thing. Anyhow, I'm extending the stream for far longer than it should have gone because I'm guys much. So, thank you everyone so much for watching this stream about everything and nothing and anything, like all of the other ones. And for now, I suppose that'll be it. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.